boy.
We have the final check. That's when we check it, and then it's fine.
No, but I'm saying it was loose. I looked over and she goes, Dad, look. And she showed me the big gap. They stopped the whole ride for us because I got up for a second and put the phone down to make sure her belt was tight. If you guys have never been to Universal Studios in the rain, I highly recommend it. No waits for any rides. It's unbelievable. One would wonder if they're making any money today at all on anybody. There's just not very many people here. I'm looking for my family. My wife made me put this thing on. Look at this. One of these Minions things.
For your own safety, while
I like vlogging on rides because you get people that you don't know. They're not supposed to be in your videos, but they are anyways. So are these people back there too. Look, say hello. Say hello. You're on camera. Oh, look, somebody else. Oh, look, there's more. We're going up. You ready? He's not really in my vlog, but kinda. I put him in there. Oh boy. Hold on tight.
Come with us now to a time before man. Join us. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
That water almost dripped on me.
Oh.
Unlike the vicious carnivores.
We're having a discrepancy. Not really, I'm on their side. We're fighting our way after 7 o'clock, closing time at Universal, to see if they'll let us on the Minions ride. This one is determined. While she's up there in the yellow thing, determined to make it work. She's gonna beg her way in there. They're gonna say no. I know they're gonna say no. And we're walking all this extra time, but you know what, I will say, she fights for what she wants all the time. And a lot of the time she gets it, I'll be honest. Here she goes. Look, see, 0 minutes. Yeah, you think? All right, thank you. I told the audience that we had just as good of a chance of them saying yes because you always fight for what you want. So. Everybody, take a selfie. That's a video.
That's a video.
Ew. Oh my gosh.
That's a
you're
video,
so dumb.
Dad. No.
getting off the fire.
No! Chris!
Let it air out first.
Poor Jess, you wanna get lost?
Now it's aired out, we're fine. Look how mad she is.
Knock it off.
She's so mad, but she's on camera, so
I'm
she's not gonna
holding
show
my
you.
breath.
She's not gonna show you.
I'm holding my breath.
As soon as I push stop on this record button right here on this camera, see,
One more.
Yeah, then I'll
she's gonna let me have it. But she doesn't want to see you let me have it.
Disrespectful and
Maybe I'll
rude.
set up a private camera and you can see what she does
yeah,
behind
okay,
your backs.
whatever.
See what I mean?
Come on. Quick, Daddy!
I'm coming, girl. Don't worry about me. Here I am.
It was gonna shut on you.
Chris was kind of disrespecting me by talking over my fart, so I'm not sure if you got to hear it. That's a video.
That's a video.
Ew.
Video.
Hola amigos, se ven muy bien.
We haven't been here in a while, and it's raining, and I would highly recommend coming to Disneyland in the rain. What's up, Jackson? Woo! Hey, babe! There's rain, it feels like bugs in your face. the rain.
We're walking up onto all the rides.
What do you think about Disneyland in the rain, Jackson?
Look at your head.
Terrible.
It's soaked.
Terrible? Oh, really?
Your head is soaked. Did
You're
you have your
soaked,
hat on?
dude.
Yeah?
How'd you get soaked so bad?
What?
How'd you get soaked so bad? You have a hood.
I know, it was, I don't know.
It blew off. I kept holding on to mine.
Oh, it kept blowing off.
Mine kept blowing off too.
Your hair is wet too, girl. I don't know how much vlogging I can do in the rain because my phone is getting soaked, but I'm doing the best I can. It's out in the rain right now. Hopefully it doesn't, I feel like it's about to slip out of my hands. Huh?
Put it under the umbrella.
It is under the umbrella. Woo. Woo. All right, Disneyland in the rain.
You'll love this game, it's so insane. Everybody, I said everybody playing, everybody singing.
Oh, heads up. Huh?
What are you doing? I don't want that on.
I'm filming the Toy Story stuff.
I'm gonna win.
Wrong.
Caught
Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free.
Under the sea, under the sea.
So sad, so true. We can flock into our compromise, built us ways.
Become what now?
We can flock into our compromise. We can flock into our compromise. Yes, I do. Aluga, Sabruga, and winds of the Caspian Sea. Floating in your blue lagoon.
Hope you had a wonderful time.
We're going on the river raft ride, whatever it's called. I can never remember what it's called. We have to wait 0 minutes. Look, we're getting right on. Literally, it just started. It's pouring. I don't know if you can tell, but it just started raining harder, and we're on this. We're on the water ride.
Why do we have to do this?
Oh! Hold on tight. Okay, just hold on to this,
Why
Jackson.
do we have to do this one?
What's the matter?
I hate this ride.
You do? But it's fun, right?
It's only fun for me if I stay forward and I can look forward instead of going like on where you go down.
Oh, yeah,
I want to look forward, not backwards.
Yeah. Tight and secure. He's shaking, everybody. He's shaking.
And plus, Jackson, it's a float. You float.
Yeah. My phone is getting wet. I really hope it's going to be okay after this. I'm so happy. It's raining at Disneyland.
That is
so
the
happy.
worst.
Why?
I don't like it raining
What was wrong
at
with the
Disney.
seatbelts?
What's that?
What was wrong with the seatbelts?
Oh, earlier?
Yeah.
Oh, her thing was just a little loose. I tightened it up.
You can't unbolt your seatbelts once they didn't check, otherwise I have to stop the whole ride for you guys.
Yeah, no problem. I mean, I didn't want her to jump out of the boat. You know what I mean?
She's supposed to. She won't be able to come
No,
out.
it was very. I know it was very loose.
Yeah,
There was
we
a-
had the final check, so that means it's fine once we check it.
What's that?
We have the final check, that's when we check it, and then it's fine.
No, but I'm saying it was loose. I looked over and she goes, "Dad, look," and she showed me the big gap, and so I had to tighten it for her real quick.
But did you unbuckle your belt?
Yeah,
Why? You could just buckle it up.
I couldn't because I had to pull it that way, so there was no way to do that.
So let's just yell for a customer because we have to stop the whole ride for you guys, okay?
So get a cast member.
Yeah, just yell
Okay.
at them and we'll
All right.
help you do it. Otherwise, we'll stop the whole ride for you
Okay,
guys.
cool. Yeah, no
Alright,
problem.
pull your belts real quick.
Yep. Check your belt. Check your belt. Check your belt.
Thank you.
You good? Okay. All right. They stopped the whole ride for us because I got up for a second and put the phone down to make sure her belt was tight. And they said I wasn't supposed to do that. And then they got mad at me for it. And then they said, next time, stay seated and do it while you're buckled. And I said, I can't. There's no way that I could do that because I have to pull it this way, and I needed that extra length to pull it that way because of how she's buckled. There's nothing I could do. She goes, Daddy, look, and there was a big gap in between the belt and her waist. And anyway, that's what happened. That's what happened. So now apparently they stopped the whole ride because of us, because we had an issue with the belt. But I would rather keep my daughter safe and make sure that we could fix her belt and she doesn't go flying, right?
Yeah.
So I did the right thing, right? I did what any dad would do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on so tight, Dad. Mom would freak since it's raining and you're
Yeah. He claimed that there was a final. He goes, well, we finally checked it and it was fine, he said. That was baloney. It was not fine. That's why there was a big gap there and Dad had to step in to fix it because he didn't check it. We've been sitting here. We were delayed for probably 15 minutes. They had to get a cast member over. They call them cast members here. They're not employees. They're cast members. They had to come here to tell us, don't get up again. So I guess if my daughter's in a dangerous situation, yeah, we checked it out. It's fine. That's what they're saying.
I don't like going backwards.
Well, I'm going forward so I can tell if you're safe back there. Say, I'm ready, Dad.
I'm not ready, Dad.
Say, I'm ready, Dad.
I'm ready.
Hold on to this, guys. Hold on, I said.
I am.
Don't worry about your hood. Hold on to this with 2 hands. There you go. Don't worry. Don't worry about the hood, okay? You guys are fine. Just hold on to this thing. Uh-oh. 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 Ah!
Oh, darn it. Oh.
Whoa. Whoa. It's getting in the boat. Whoa.
Don't worry, Dad. Don't worry.
Don't worry. Okay, I won't.
Oh, no. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I hate going backwards. Turn that way up. I want to go back.
It's okay. We're good. We're good. We're good. See, we made it. We made it.
I'm not going to.
We're not going to make it? What are you saying, Jackson? We're not going to.
Oh, no. Oh, my gosh.
What? Say hi to the man. Say hi to the man up there. Are you ready? We're next. There it is.
And your phone still lives.
My phone. I know. I can't believe it. Oh, it's foggy right here. I wonder why. Are they hiding something from us? Do they not want us to see what's going to happen next? I don't know. What do you say?
I know what's gonna happen.
I don't know. Say. Maybe it's a big secret. Say.
Oh my!
Wow, I'm soaked. I am drenched right now. Oh my gosh.
My boots!
They totally soaked me, you guys. Oh my gosh.
I did not see that coming.
I did, neither did I.
Me neither.
What the heck was that? Literally, behind the camera, you couldn't see it. A big avalanche of water just spilled over. And look, she got soaked. She got soaked too from it. Look at it. I am soaked. She thinks it's funny over here.
I think it's terrible.
Okay.
So tired. We were floating, and then for some reason, water came like all the way on us.
Oh my goodness,
Like
did you have your
rain.
hats on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, Jess.
We got
Those
drenched.
Did
That's
you?
the first time. Look at my pants are soaked
Oh my
to
gosh,
the
your
skin.
thing didn't
Here, let's
help
go.
you. Oh my gosh.
How you doing, Blaze?
Hi.
Hi, how's it going, buddy?
Good.
Good. How you doing, Stella?
Good.
Good? It's right here. I'm sorry. I was going to go with him, but I'm not going to fit in there.
They have to be
Oh, I do?
seconds
All right.
yeah.
Okay.
So we can make this work.
Okay.
in here. Blaze can be in here. There's an okay.
You get in first, and then we can load like the
Yep.
next.
Watch
tallest
out, guys.
and the
Hop
next.
out. Hop out. Hurry.
Yeah.
Got it? Hop
I've
out.
seen like 3 grown men in this thing. It can work.
Okay. All right. I trust you.
It works. I promise.
I trust
It's
you.
just got to be done very strategically.
Okay.
All right.
But it's still in the back, right?
Yep. So
Okay.
you scoot all the way back.
Got
And
it.
the next tallest probably gonna be you, buddy. You hop on in.
We're doing it. Ready, buddy?
Careful with the boost.
All right, here we go. Got to do it after all. Here we go.
All right, and then the seatbelt's gonna go around all 3 of you. Okay.
Okay. Ready?
All right, and then give it a good tug.
All right. Wow.
Enjoy
She
your
was
flight.
right. Thanks.
You're welcome. You gotta have a little faith.
I did not think that was going to work. I do not know how we are all crammed into this thing, but we made it. It's all about strategery. It's a real word. Check it out.
Green Squadron will retrieve the power cell, while the rest of you concentrate on those robots.
Yeah, I won! 1, 2, 3, 4. Where you go? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got that one. I won. How about it was a tie? This is weird. When I do this, it feels like I'm getting taller.
Really? Must be an illusion, huh?
Whoa, those look like stars. Just